Hey there, and welcome to How to Photoshop with Boss Broyles. Today, you're going to learn how to create a new file, and today we're going to make a letter-sized document. So I've opened Adobe Photoshop, and I'm going to click on New File up here in the blue. It's right up there. And where it says New File, if you notice along the top here, there is a menu that goes from Recent. So if you just created a letter file, it'll be right here. If none of these are what you wanted, if you look up here, you've got some saved options. So if you're using something all the time, photo options, which will break it down into like 8x10s, 3x2s, 6x4s. These are mostly for creating photos. And most of the time, we will be printing our artwork on a printer that uses letter size paper. So I tend to like to make my projects starting in letter because they're 8.5 by 11 inches and they're 300 ppi. They're 300 pixels per inch. PPI does make a big difference. This is what we call resolution. So 300 ppi will have enough pixels that it will print clearly. If you take notice, if I go up to this top menu and move over to where it says web, if I click on something for the web or something I'm making for the internet, if you notice, the dimensions are in pixels, but look, it says it's 72 ppi. That means the resolution is lower in a web-based document so that it loads quicker on the internet than it is in a print size document. This is really important to think about when you are beginning files because it's really difficult to take a 72 pixels per inch document. And if you try to make it bigger into a 300 ppi, a higher resolution, you're going to get that blur that you get when you take a small image from the internet and try to stretch it out. It gets really blurry and pixely. That's what can happen if you don't start with a high resolution. So if we are making something for print, we use letter. When I click on this and then come down over here to the lower right-hand corner, I can click create. And then ta-da, now I have a piece of paper and now I can begin working. Yay! Follow me and subscribe for more.